North Korea has conducted missile tests in recent days. According to the Korean Central News Agency (KCNA), a railway-borne missile regiment was deployed during the trials on January 15, 2022, amid a U.S. push for fresh sanctions against the isolated state following its recent series of weapons tests. The North Korean missiles were launched from Uiju in North Pyongan province, which borders China, and flew around 430 kilometers at an altitude of 36 kilometers and hit a top speed of Mach 6, according to the South Korean military. The drills was aimed at checking the alert posture of the combatants of the regiment and bolstering their ability. The official Korean Central News Agency said in a dispatch. Observers said the missiles appeared to be the KN-23 type, which is modeled on Russia's Iskander mobile ballistic missile. The weapon is known to be capable of so-called pull-up maneuvers during its flight, a technique that helps it evade missile defenses. The large rail car used two side-by-side erector mechanisms, like the side-by-side arrangement used in the transporter erector launcher. The Korean People's Army could aim to set up a railway-borne missile operating system across the country. The rail launchers were likely more maneuverable weapons, could give the isolated country more options for evading missile defenses. Described as a freight train, a missile train cannot be spotted either by satellite or electronic surveillance. KN-23 is designation given to the North Korean solid-fuel tactical ballistic missile. Like the Iskander-M, it flies in a quasi-ballistic trajectory, flattening out below an altitude of about 50 kilometers, where the atmosphere is dense enough so the missile fins can change course along its flight path. It is believed to have a range of some 450 kilometers with a 500 kilograms weight, putting all of the South Korea within range, though it is possible to extend range out to 690 kilometers with a reduced payload. Weight is likely to be unitary, submunition, or possibly nuclear. In recent months, North Korea has tested a range of increasingly powerful new weapon systems. These have included the train-launched weapons and hypersonic missiles, as well as a long-range cruise missile believed to be capable of delivering a nuclear bomb to Japan and a new submarine-launched ballistic missile. All are believed to represent progress in Pyongyang's quest to defeat missile defenses. The pace of innovation in the country's weapon testing and the development of missiles that can evade defense systems has caused concern in the international community, given that this move poses a threat to neighboring countries and regional security.